Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Profound EduTech. We are back here once again with yet another exciting campus update for you all, and this time it's regarding Cisco hiring 2021 and 2022 batch. Before going ahead, we would like to remind you to do subscribe to our YouTube channel and also do not forget to click on the bell icon in order to receive all our updates regularly and instantly. So this is a brief introduction about Cisco. Cisco, as you must have heard, it is an American multinational organization headquartered in California in the center of Silicon Valley. They develop, manufacture and sell networking hardware, software, telecommunications equipments and other high technology services and products. To get more information about them, you may visit their website, which is www.cisco.com. So Cisco have announced that they are hiring 2021 and 2022 batch freshers students, and these are the eligibility details. Yes, as I mentioned, 2021 and 2022 batch passing out students with CS or EE specialization are eligible for this opening. As far as technical skills are concerned, the students are expected to be proficient in any of the language like Java or C or C++, etc. They should also have a strong knowledge of fundamentals like data structure, operating systems, algorithms, etc. and should also have strong understanding of threads, synchronization, concurrent programming, and etc. As far as personal traits are concerned, they expect the candidate to be passionate to solve complex problems. The candidate has to be proven performer and team player, should have a learning attitude, should be agile and have an ability to adapt to the changes quickly, and should also have ability to collaborate with the team members. The post is software engineer and the role is development. To get more details about this recruitment and also to apply for it, please visit this URL, which is bit.ly/profoundcisco. I repeat, bit.ly/profoundcisco. The URL is case sensitive, so make sure that you type the correct URL in the address bar of your browser. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you have been liking our videos and finding them useful and helpful for you. So Profound EduTech, we are predominantly top IT training company, and along with quality trainings, we are well known for strong placement support as well. We provide our popular courses which are of full stack developer in Java, .NET, advanced diploma courses in testing, also in Angular, Python, data science, machine learning, etc. So do enroll for our courses both online or offline, whatever you feel convenient, and get 100% guaranteed placement support. For details of about our courses, you may call the given numbers, which are 89830 12051 or 52. This is the snapshot of our full stack Java developer course, which cover multiple tracks right from your fundamentals like C++, database OS networking. In the backend, we have Java track, which covers complete Java right from core Java, then web-based Java as well as frameworks with Spring Boot as well. We also cover web design part, HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, XML with Angular within that full stack Java developer course. We also cover Express.js, Node.js, MongoDB, Python programming as well as software testing. So within the same course, multiple technologies are covered so that you can explore more placement opportunities as well. Of course, aptitude and soft skill sessions are offered complimentary with these courses. This is the similar snapshot of our advanced diploma in software testing course, which has both manual testing, automation testing, the core Java required for automation part, that is advanced Selenium WebDriver part, etc. These are the highlights of our courses. All our trainings are live trainings by senior trainers. Yes, these are live trainings, whether online or offline, and the experts, the trainers are in front of you. And since they are live trainings, a lot of interaction is possible between the students and the trainers, which helps the students to solve all the questions, queries, doubts immediately. We cover multiple technologies and programming languages in the same course as we have seen in the snapshot of our full stack Java developer course. We give a lot of importance to hands-on knowledge, and for that we have daily assignments, real world projects. Whatever you learn, you implement it on real world projects. And most importantly, we provide daily exclusive campus drives to our trained students who are trained in Java, .NET, testing, Angular, Python, data science, etc. Every week we arrange around like 7-8 campus drives. Every month we arrange around 25-30 campus drives for various profiles like Java developer, testers, .NET developers, front-end developers, etc. Please be in touch with us on all our social platforms. You may find us on Facebook. Our Facebook page has 51,000 plus likes. Our Facebook page, as we keep posting all the updates there. Also, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also don't forget to click on the bell icon to get all our updates instantly. You may also find us on Telegram, and as far as website is concerned, it's www.profoundedutech.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope to see you once again with one more soon.